There are two key ingredients that continue to transform the world: innovative ideas and technology. When combined with a wealth of experience and expertise in LED lighting, this leads to global, market-leading innovative solutions, enabling increasingly sustainable, energy-efficient, comfortable and engaging spaces at home and work. Over the years, we have been rapidly growing our global reach to ensure worldwide access to the latest innovations. Spanning 5 continents, the Aurora Lighting Group's products are distributed through both projects and trade channels via the Aurora and A.L.E.X brands. With world-class, state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Asia and the UK, we focus on every aspect of the development process, from innovative engineering and design to testing. Our China megacentres allow mass production for trade, projects and OEM/ODM channels. Built-to-order solutions are manufactured and tested at Aurora's Swindon facility, allowing for huge flexibility in production and fast response times, keeping costs competitive. Certifications awarded enable verification of our own products to a globally recognised standard. Since the group's establishment in 1999, the trade channel has been the core of our business. As a result of continuous innovation, leveraging our Asian manufacturing, R&D and testing infrastructure, Aurora has established global brand equity throughout wholesale distribution. From our very own UK manufacturing facility in the southwest, Aurora prides itself on delivering customers exceptional value through its project service. Using a push-pull marketing strategy, Aurora's internal marketing agency assists in the design and production of appropriately branded campaigns. The Aurora Group has identified the need to join IoT solutions with the project delivery team, supporting both Aurora and A.L.E.X brands in the provision of the most advanced, smart, connected lighting technology. We have combined the key services of our IoT solutions and project success teams to ensure that customers of both the Aurora and A.L.E.X brands enjoy a seamless service experience, enabling smart lighting technology to connect you and your spaces. Establishing partnerships is what we see as the key to successful business growth, combining expertise and collaborating to provide the most advanced solutions. LED technology is developing rapidly, enabling higher quality lighting for less. And imagine, with the extra features, services and benefits that comes with IoT technology, the future is bright for us all, and lighting will offer exceptional value beyond illumination.